What's up mga idols? Kamusta po kayong lahat? At nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lucao, Dagupan City, kung saan pinuntahan po natin ang bagong-bagong bike shop na talagang pinupuntahan at maraming nagpapaayos at nagpapatono ng kanilang mga bikes, kasi kilala po dito ang kanilang mekaniko, si Kuya Ronald or Kuya Nonong, ang ating kaibigan. Ito sa Pops Bike Shop, kung saan ang kanilang main branch ay located sa Karanglaan, Dagupan City. Ngayon, meron silang another branch dito lang sa Lucao. So ito guys, kitang-kita naman ninyo, located siya sa Lucao, doon mismo sa junction, kung saan kung pupunta ka ng De Venecia Extension Highway papuntang San Fabian, yan, and going to Binmali Road, Lingayen, yan, doon din yung makikita, and of course going to Dagupan proper, no. So ito po yung kanilang bagong bike shop, napakaganda at napakalaki, at siguradong marami ang natutuwa kasi located siya kung saan maraming mga bikers po ang dumadaan at laging yan, kung gusto nila magpa-check at magpatuno ng kanilang mga bikes, nandito po si Kuya Nonong. Ayan, nakitang-kita naman ninyo, at maraming mga bikes na available din po sa kanila. Actually, kilala po sila sa mga high-end quality bikes. Kung meron po kayong mamahaling bikes, dito nyo po dalhin at sigurado po kayo hindi mapapahiya sa ganda ng at quality ng pag-ayos at pag-repair ni Kuya Nonong. Tingnan nyo itong nakapark dito. Ayan, bagong gawa lang po yan ni Kuya Nonong. This one is a Giant MTB. Yan, kita naman ninyo, quality yung mga parts nya at specs nya. Talagang mga build bike, no, at talagang pinaganda yung mga naka SRAM, naka XT, di ba? So yan, makikita nyo guys na talagang dinadayo po itong si Kuya Nonong na master technician ng Pops Bike Shop. Grabe din ang lupit ng bike na to guys. Tingnan mo naman, naka XT Dore na brake lever at hydraulic brake. So yan, kita nyo naman guys yung kanyang handlebar, talagang quality,
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this lifetime, live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go. Live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this lifetime, live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go. Live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Yan po yung magandang ginagamit natin sa mga trade. Again guys, meron po silang naka-display rito na gravel bike. Ayan, kita niyo po itong gravel bike. Napakaganda, no? 2021 po pala ito. Ito ay gawa ng Paxter, no? From Paxter, Philippines. It's a gravel bike. Ang kanyang model ay Breeze. Yan guys, ang ganda ng kulay niya, no? So ito is blue with neon green na color, no? So yan yung kanyang RD. Tingnan natin, naka Shimano guys, Shimano Claris. Yan, ang ganda ng kanyang nakalagay na quality na talaga. So yan, maganda rin yung kanyang naka disc brake yung likod. Yan, mga gravel bike ganyan, Paxter din yung kanyang rim, at saka yung kanyang seat post, at saka yung saddle, yung crank wheel niya, yan Paxter din. Naka 1x lang ito. 1x lang yung kanyang sorry, naka 2x pala to, sorry. So yun guys, ito yung kanyang road bike na Paxter Bricks, no? Gravel bike po ito, gravel. So yan, ganda rin ng kanyang seat post, saddle niya, ayos din. Quality din po talaga. So yan guys, dito po yan sa Pops Bike Shop. Kung gusto nyo pong bilhin itong gravel bike na to, 20,000 po ang kanyang presyo. Siguradong hindi na po pampapahiya. Maganda na po yung quality at specs itong bike na to, gravel bike. Sarap niyang upuan, testing. So yung kanyang brake lever is also Claris, Shimano Claris. So yan, maganda na po talaga. Ayos, di ba? Yan, panalo, no? So yun guys, punta po kayo dito sa Lucao District. Located siya sa junction po, going to Winmali and San Fabian. Madali lang po siya makita. So kung kayo po yung nagbabike or pumapadyak ng umaga, pwede po kayong dumaan dito at magkape, Yan, very maganda po yung location ng kanilang bike shop na to, Nagbebenta rin po sila dito ng mga quality parts, Kaya nga po sila nag-repair ng mga high-end bikes, kasi pwede po kayong bumili or magpa-order, magpa-reserve ng mga high-end quality parts po ng inyong mga bike. Siyempre, kung naka-SRAM kayo, siyempre, meron din silang SRAM dito. Meron silang mga iba't ibang klase na na high-end quality parts na mabibili nyo dito sa Pops Bike Shop, guys. So ito guys, makita nyo ito yung naka-display rito na isa pang bike from Trinks. Grabe, quality rin po ito. Naka Jore XT RD, and naka 2x10 ata ito. 2x10 Jore, So Shimano po ang kanyang mga nakalagay na mga parts. Naka Maxxis na tire, and I think yung kanyang hub is from Novotec. Yung crank na is from Shimano. Again, yung seat post, grabe. I think alloy na from Trinks, and yung kanyang pagkakagawa ng frame, quality yung kanyang nakalagay na decals din. So yung kanyang hydraulic disc brake, ayan, naka Shimano rin siya. I think this is a Jore disc brake na caliper. Okay, wow na wow din tong mga quality bike na to. Yung front fork nya, grabe, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong hub nya, mukhang quality rin. So guys, dito sa Pops Bike Shop, talagang marami silang quality bikes na nandito. And yan, tinan mo, naka siya, remote lockout na yung front fork. So yan guys, ang ganda, naka Maxxis tires, so that's from Trinks. So yan guys, marami silang mga binibenta rito, mga iba pang parts and accessories. Yan, mga water bottles, mga headlight and rear light. Yan mga pumps, mga gloves. Everything is here, So you can ask si ate kung ano yung gusto nyong ibilin at gusto nyong i-request sa kanya. Again, one of the specialty ng Pops Bike Shop, yung kanilang repair. So if you have quality and high-end bike, you can bring it here at siguradong hindi kayo mapapahiya. So guys, a quick look from the bike shop of Pops Bike Shop. Ganda, no? Laki. So, bagong-bago po ito. And ask po si ate kung ano po yung kanyang mga requirement o yung mga request. So, thank you very much for Pops Bike Shop sa kanilang owner. Thank you for giving me another opportunity para ma-vlog po ang kanilang bike shop. So guys, thank you very much. Ciao!